Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to get the NFL Red Zone in Canada. Now, what you need to do is come to dazn.com, dazn.com, and here you can go ahead and sign up for free, okay, and get the subscription. So, why I'm telling you this is because this website allows you to have NFL Red Zone throughout the whole world, internationally. All the countries are available. Okay, you can watch NFL Red Zone throughout the whole world. You just need to go ahead and sign up and get the NFL Red Zone, including in Canada. And you can also get a lot more sports as well, right? But for you, you would need the NFL Game Pass. Just click on this here, come from all sports, click on NFL Game Pass, or you can come here to Live TV. You can get the NFL originals here. You can get the NFL Network. Okay, you can come here to Live TV, get the NFL, Red Zone as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided a value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.